Can be any second.
Do that? Let her go.
What?
Let's go. Let us go.
I can see it like getting
Oh,
lighter.
there goes.
Oh my.
Oh my
That is
God.
bright. Oh my gosh. That's insane. It looks like a nuke going up in the
I
air.
know. Can't hear it though.
I know. That's insane. It looks like Christ rising from into the sky. Oh my gosh.
That's cool.
It's going to the left. Oh, that's actually crazy. Now that the noise is only getting here now from the liftoff,
Yeah.
that shows how far away it is.
I can feel the ground.
Oh my gosh.
The ground is shaking. That's cool.
Oh my gosh, that noise. That's crazy. There's a helicopter right there behind us. Oh, now it's white. Oh my gosh, that's crazy.
So is this the second stage now? Coming out?
Oh, there it goes out of the thing. That's crazy.
Actually, it looks like it's going down.
Yeah, it is.
No, I mean the.
I can't see it now. Oh wait, it's just. Is it still in like the smoke?
Yeah, it's behind this smoke. Look at it.
It's
There, I can
crazy.
see the dot.
Yeah. Just a hovering ball of smoke around it. Oh, you can see the part that like fell off before. That other little dot
Yeah.
behind it.
So he just said that the second booster went or something like that. Second stage went.
Well, it's behind because it said.
And they're going to land themselves on the ship. Out to sea.
Which is also unmanned. Did you know that?
Yes, I did. That was crazy. Drone ship, yeah.
Is that a cat or a cow? What is that? Something just like walked past. It's been like 4.5 minutes. The thing that fell off has more speed than the actual ship. Or rocket, I mean, not ship.
And I don't know if you heard Mike, so it lands itself on the ship.
Yeah, I know.
That's cool. We saw that happen on TV a while back, remember?
Look how fast the other one's going now. Can't even see it. Oh, I can see lightning in that storm over there, by the way.
Yeah, that's enough.
Hey,
I missed the launch.
Oh, you did?
I didn't hit record. I was looking at it and I'm like, oh, I thought I was recording. But you got it right.
Oh, did you see the other thing?
Oh, right there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
That's the one landing. Oh, all right. Good job. I missed that.
Yeah, that's the trunk is gone.
I wish we were back in the parking lot though,
Yeah.
because it would have been a lot louder. Probably would have felt it a lot more too. Well, maybe we'll have to do another one sometime.
My left arm hurts a lot.
Why?
Because I'm holding it up.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. In case anything happens. Like, imagine it just blew up right now. And I got that on video.
That's not good.
Yeah, so that's out of sight for me.
I might have to ask Alex. I think you might have the best video quality of it, because I don't think I was quite on it.
I forgot to hit start when it went off. I thought I was
It's gone
recording it.
now.
That's why. I'm looking at it through my camera. I'm like, oh, there it goes. And 5 seconds into it, 10 seconds. I'm like, wait a minute, I'm recording something.
This is what I got. Sure, the first few seconds.
Look at the lights on that guy's boat over there. Like,
This is what I got.
the blue lights.
Oh yeah.
Restart that. Yeah, it looks like the sun.
There's still like a
Oh yeah.
little thing over there.
Pretty much right at launch, but yeah, it looked like the sun.
I did launch early.
I didn't say anything, but I thought it was like a flare almost. I was like, is that the launch? or
I
is that
actually
a
thought it
flare?
was like blowing up on the launch pad. I'm like, what?
Yeah, I mean, look at that. It's just round. That's why I went back down. I'm like, did I miss something? Is that a flare going up?
I
And then they-
can't.
to light up the sky and then shoot it off? I don't know. I don't remember something like that happening.
I think night launches would be better anyway. You know what I mean? Now, like, I'm glad we came.
So I got
saw
it. That's
night
what I got. But it looked like the sun going up. Anyway,
Can't really
very
see
cool.
it.
And like
Glad
a
we
minute into it, the ground starts
sound,
shaking.
yeah. I can't wait to put it at home and watch it. But Alex, I might have to get that video from you.
Yeah.
I'm
See what you got. See the
recorded
first
the
couple
whole
seconds
entire
of it.
thing.